Hi everyone, I'm Dave, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my productivity desk setup for 2021 that I use for both Windows and Mac laptops. Just over a year ago, my very lackluster setup looked a bit like this. A very nice 27-inch iMac sat on this awkward, cramped desk. I quickly swapped this desk out to something better, but then working from home became a thing, and then this happened. With the launch of the M1 MacBook Air last year, I decided to sell the iMac for something smaller that could utilize these monitors. First up, the desk. I got this reasonably cheap from IKEA for around £80 or $99. I like the plain look of this desk, plus it has the height adjustable legs between 60 and 90 centimeters. This is not a desk you can adjust on the fly though. You will need to set the height before you put all your items on the desk, and you need to adjust each leg individually. The tabletop measures 160 by 80 centimeters, which is fairly large, but it's great for providing a nice amount of working area. My setup needed to accommodate a Windows and a Mac laptop. The Windows laptop is a Dell Precision laptop running Windows 10 that I use for my civil engineering job. It does overheat sometimes, so this is my Expert Pro cooling solution. My own personal laptop is a MacBook Air with M1 chip that I've been using since launch, and I'll be making a long-term review video for this one. I then plug either the Dell or the MacBook into this Dell D6000 dock via USB. This dock has numerous connections in the back and front and allows me to connect multiple monitors and add peripherals. It also charges the MacBook Air via USB-C at the same time. I usually leave the mouse Bluetooth dongle and keyboard plugged in so it will work on both computers when I swap them over. This dock also has Display Link, which allows the M1 Mac to use more than one monitor. From the dock, I have two Dell 24-inch ultra-sharp monitors. I currently have them on their own stands, which is okay, but it would probably be better if they were on a monitor arm so they'd be up from the desk to get some more space. The keyboard is pretty basic and definitely an area in need of an upgrade. For now, I'm just using a standard wired Dell keyboard. The mouse is the Logitech MX Anywhere 2, and I've been using this for a couple of years now and I really like it. It works well on both systems and it does everything I need it to do, and the battery life is really good as well. For the drawers, I'm pretty sure you've seen these in every other YouTuber setup, so I won't spend too much time here, but these are the IKEA Alex drawers and are great for storing all your junk. Same for the chair. It's a super cheap IKEA chair which I bought a few years ago as a temporary chair and I'm still using it. It's okay, it's hard plastic with minimal adjustments, so it's definitely another item that needs to be upgraded in the future. My most recent addition is this snake plant. According to NASA, this is one of the best houseplants for enhancing air quality by absorbing harmful toxins and producing pure oxygen. If you like this video, then you should consider checking this one out next.